In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Skate 3 online Xbox 360. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to access the online functionalities for Skate 3. So while it is possible to do this, it can be a little bit tricky. The thing is that EA still hasn't officially shut down the servers, however they are not actively maintained. So because of this, the servers can be unstable and prone to issues. Some people can connect and play and then the servers go down, while others can't even connect and they report difficulties connecting, getting stuck in loading screens or encountering errors. So the most crucial thing is to set up your EA account. So what I recommend to do this is to use a web browser on your computer or your phone to access the EA website. In there you have to accept any sort of terms of service and make sure that your account is good to go. Make sure that it is not terminated because it violated the terms of service, and as long as the account is active, you accept all the terms of service and you make sure that the connections like your Xbox account have been established properly, you will be good to go. With the EA account step done, the rest can be done inside of the game itself, so there is not much else to do outside of Skate 3. Make sure that you set up your EA account and then you can move on to inside of the game. Inside, the most reliable way to get an online session is to go over to Online Challenge Map, Free Skate, and then Free Skate locations to create private Free Skate. So you can browse through other options, but the main primary one is always going to be Free Skate. So create a session, and once this is done, you are good to go. If you want to play with friends, go over to the online section and you will be able to find friends list. You can invite them over Xbox Live. As long as they followed the same steps to properly set up their EA accounts, they will be able to log into online and accept the invite or the notification that you send to them. Of course, someone else can try to host the session and you join instead. Connecting can take time and multiple attempts, and if this doesn't work after a few tries, I recommend going back to the EA website and double checking if you properly accepted the terms of service and that your account is properly set up and connected. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Skate 3 online Xbox 360. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.